Hello, everyone. Today's lesson will explain the cleaning operation after spraying operation. The specific operations. After the spreading operation is complete, discharge all the materials inside the material box. If there is a large amount of materials, it is recommended to use a container to remove the excess materials. Rinse the inside of the spreader with clean water, and then dry it in the sun or dry it with a rag, heat gun, hair dryer, etc. Then use clean water to clean the appearance of the drone. After cleaning, use a rag to dry the surface of the drone and the material tank. Turn off the standby power supply of the drone. There are two ways to operate. 1. Press the battery power button continuously until the drone emits a prompt tone, and then long press the battery to quickly turn off the backup power. 2. Start the Agri Assistant app, tap Settings in the top right corner. Select a battery. In the left interface, turn off the standby power button on the right. Keep this interface intact, and then short press plus long press the battery power button to turn off the standby power of the drone. Retract the drone. Loosen the sleeve on the arm, then fold the arm well and stick it in the fixed position. Protect the blade during bumpy road transportation to prevent blade damage. Above is today's lesson. Follow the Topxgun channel and unlock more plant protection skills.